Hi there, welcome to Grammar for IELTS, PTE, OET and CELPIP. One of the most common ways to lose marks for grammar in these tests is not providing any examples of complex structures. If school seems a long time ago, it does for me, or you find grammar a bit of a challenge, you might just be adding commas when it feels like time for one. Unfortunately, proficiency tests like these are quite strict on grammatical errors. A great way to get a high score is to use some complex grammatical structures, and three of the main examples of these are the passive voice, compound sentences with coordinating conjunctions or conjunctive adverbs, and complex sentences with subordinating conjunctions. Today we're going to have a look at using these subordinating conjunctions. First of all, let's have a look at some informal examples for speaking. Jeff was in trouble because he'd forgotten his girlfriend's birthday. Wow, poor Jeff. Here we've got a main clause. Jeff was in trouble. A subordinating conjunction, because, and these are attached to a subordinate clause. He'd forgotten his girlfriend's birthday. When the subordinating conjunction comes in the middle, like in this example, there's no need for a comma. However, if we change it around so that the subordinating conjunction comes in the beginning, like this, because he'd forgotten his girlfriend's birthday, Jeff was in trouble. In this case, we must have a comma to separate the clauses. The structure is the same for more formal sentences that we can use in writing. Here's an example. Domestic pets are often not equipped to survive in the wild, as they have become used to relying on humans over many decades. Again, in this example, there's no need for a comma, because the subordinating conjunction links the two clauses together. If we swap the clauses around, we need that comma in the middle. As they have become used to relying on humans over many decades, domestic pets are not equipped to survive in the wild. Here we have a useful list of conjunctions for you to use in preparation for IELTS, PTE, OET and CELPIP. Please click on the link to our blog to download the full list and have a go at the practice quiz questions. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.